Well, this is modern Spode in the Willow pattern, a red willow design made as a cake serving plate or a cheese board. It's a sort of domed design, as you can see, slightly elevated. The rims slope away slightly with a little retaining lip just around the outside. Show you the China mark on this one. Spode's Archive Collection Georgian Series Willow, first introduced in 1790. Modern Spode England mark. It's 11.5 inches in diameter. Very clean glaze, hardly a mark on it, but it has got this firing fault in it. As you can see, when it has gone through the production process, the transfer has been smudged across here and drawn. This is all fixed. You see that across the white border there, and on the outer rim, quite marked red discoloration there. Obviously, once you've loaded this up with cake or cheese or whatever you're going to use it for on a table, then that won't necessarily be uncovered, but it will show on display as we're showing you there. So do be aware it's reflected in the price, more or less a third of what you pay for a perfect one in this condition in the market today. Available from the Vintage and Antiques website, and we'll pop a link in the description from YouTube taking you through to the website listing for this piece of modern red willow Spode. Thanks for watching.